Hello folks, and again welcome to a brand new video. Mr. Pi, can you find the area of triangle DEF? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what we have given is that here AB is 4 times of DC, and DC and AB are parallel, and AE, EF and FC are also equal. So if you assume triangle DEF to have an area of S, so AED right here will also have an area of S, and AFC will also have an area of S because the bases are equal. And now what we will do is we will draw a small construction from point C, a perpendicular line to the point AB, joining line C to the point O. This is 90-degree right here. So now focus on triangle ADC. So the area of triangle ADC is equal to 1 by 2 altitude, which is the height of the triangle, is equal to CO into the base, which is equal to DC. So let's assume the base to be A. So AB will be equal to 4A because AB is 4 times of DC. Now 1 by 2 into CO, which is the height, is not given, and DC is equal to A. And now ADC has an area of SSS equals to 3S. So CO right here is equal to 6S upon A is equal to CO. Okay, so this is the equation we have got till now. Now we'll use this equation in triangle ABC. So triangle ABC has an area equal to 1 by 2 perpendicular, which is equal to CO perpendicular, and high base, which is equal to 4A. Okay, equals to 2 CO. Now we can substitute the value of CO, 2A into CO as a value of 6S upon A. So we can cancel out AA, so we will get 12. 12S is the required area of the triangle ABC. And what we are again given is that area of quadrilateral ABCD has an area of 90 cm square. So ABCD is an area of 90 centimeters square. Right here, ABCD is the combination of two triangles ABC and ADC. ABC right here has an area of 12S, and ADC has an area of 65, 3S. Okay, so 3S plus 12S will be equal to 15S is equal to 90 cm square, and finally S equals to 15, 6 and 90, so 6 centimeter square. Hence the area of triangle DEF will be equal to 6 cm square. This question was quite interesting because you have to focus on multiple triangles and finally correlate with the equations given in the question. First, in the beginning, we assume this has an area of S, and we calculate the area of ADC using 1 by 2 base into height formula. The height, we assume it to be CO, and we used its equation in the other triangle ABC. And finally, by using this, we got both the areas of the triangles in terms of S, which is the area of the single triangle. And now the quadrilateral is constituted of two triangles ABC and ADC, and assuming and considering that, finally we got the answer of 6 cm square. Thank you.